everyone. This is Nancy with Ash's Treasure, some more holiday baking. And today we did a gingerbread. And this is the pan we used. We got this from Myers last year.
Don't forget that one.
I won't forget that one. Myers for after Thanksgiving Day sale. And then this is what it makes. And she wants me to show that one right there. And it's pink, blue, and orange because those are Ash's Treasure's favorite colors, her mommy's and her daddy's. And she wants me to show different parts of the cake that she is eating, which is fine. This is what we made it for. And just a quick decorations with some orange beads, and the frosting I made was from Wilton.
Orange sprinkles, not orange beads.
Orange sprinkles. So the icing recipe is from Wilton.
Out.
And we just whipped it up. You color it and then you decorate. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the ring the bell.
And ring the bell and press the subscribe button down below, and we will see you again.
Later. Have a great day.
Later. Have a great day.